Greg from TruckSmart Isuzu here in Morrisville, Pennsylvania. Here to show you a truck we just got in, a 2019 F750. Let me open up the door and show you inside. This truck only has 17,000 miles. It's equipped with a Godwin 300T, which is a 10-foot long mason dump body. 36-inch high sides, cheater pockets, cab protector, 42-inch high air-operated tailgate with 3 coal chutes, which I'll show you in a moment. Also has a spreader apron and a US electric Tarp system. There is a Champion telescopic hoist with a buyer's under-the-body toolbox, along with a Pintle ball combination hitch. It's equipped with PTO, air brakes, trailer air supply, electric trailer brake controller, and aluminum fuel tank. It's also equipped inside with Bluetooth, cruise control, and it's powered by the Ford 6.7 diesel engine with automatic transmission. It's also a 33,000 GVWR truck, so bring your CDL license and we'll take this one for a good test drive. Taking you for a walk around, there's the aluminum tank, the body, your 3 coal chute doors, trailer brake, air trailer brake, and Pintle ball hitch on the back. On this side, you'll notice the buyer toolbox that I spoke about as well. And the electric Tarp on top. Once again, I'd like to thank you for taking the time and watching my video. Please don't hesitate to call me at any time with any questions at 215-946-7221 or my cell phone, even after hours, 215-939-6689. Thanks again for watching today.